What's up? How y'all doing? I'm here to tell y'all about this wonderful hair that I'm wearing. It's so beautiful. It's just for every occasion. So this is not a hair that I just purchased. I'm gonna just tell y'all this now. I have a lot of wigs. Why not just tell y'all about all these wigs that I have, do a little review on it so you guys can see my experience. I remember those days when I used to like buy wigs, buy weave, buy anything. Every time I come in front of the camera, I look different. If you date me, you know it's gonna be like dating a million girls at once because my hair is gonna be different all the time. I'm loving it. I know y'all like, why she keep touching it? Why she keep touching her hair? Let me stop blabbling, and go on with this review. So let's just get started. To begin, I got this hair from RPGShow.com. It is called Blunt Cut Bob Black Hair 100% Human Wig BOB008-s. The hair color, of course, is jet black. When you first go onto RPG Show website, they give you like a list of things that you can add to the hair. So the hair comes as a set price, but the more things you add, the price increases. So if you want them to dye it, bleach it, whatever, it's gonna be a little bit extra money. This hair costs me, well, the price of this hair before you add anything is gonna be $349.99. If you want it to be jet black like I do, that's gonna be an extra $10. I got this in 12 inches. But if you want 14 inches, that's going to be an extra $20. I didn't want it to be like a long bob. I want it to be like shorter. It's not like really a short bob, but it's not long. Pre-plucked hairline, yes. I did ask for my hairline to be pre-plucked. Y'all already know how I feel about the pre-plucked. It just looks so natural and nice and cute and bomb and poppin'. The lace color is medium brown. My knots bleached. I got light bleach. Not too much, light bleach. If anything, I could just always color it in with a powder or foundation or concealer or something, but light bleach. Hair texture is silky. You got two options for hair texture. First option is silky, second option is yucky. I got the silky because, you know, I mean, why not? The cap construction. You know, this is a cap construction I always get. Not always, but most of the time I get this cap construction. I get the cap B lace front wig cap, 200% density, and that's an extra $50. And the reason why I get that, because it's more full, thicker, and it's just better. If you get cap A, then everything is going to be lace front. I'm not really a big fan of a full lace wig because I think it sheds more and I like my hair to be really, really full. You know, I need that 200% density. I'm not trying to settle for 100%. You know, my cap size, I have a small head, I think, but I ordered a 22.5 to 23 inch wig cap, but I feel like I should have ordered the smaller one. I don't know, because it's kind of big for me. My head is a little small, but I get so like, because I know if it's too small, then I can't, what am I gonna do about it? Like, they already done made the wig for me and it's too small, so I always get it bigger. But I think this is the last time I'm gonna get my cap big. I just want it to be fitted. I want it to be nice and tucked. I think that's it. I touched everything. Look at this. Look how easy it is to comb. Beautiful. And yes, I did straighten it. You can wear it like this too, you know. It's another way to wear it behind your ears. Cute. Oh, and I also style it differently. Sometimes I like, instead of bumping the ends, sometimes I just like do it dead straight, and that's like another cute look. It is really cute. I have zero complaints about this hair. It doesn't give me any trouble. It doesn't give me any problems. Let me tell you, the most you have to deal with about this hair is washing it. Like, that's the most annoying part about any hair. I hate washing hair and having to restyle it, but when you do, I don't know why I'm losing my breath, y'all. Okay, I'm back like I never left. But yeah, this hair is pretty cool. This hair really haven't really been giving me any trouble at all. Like, look at her. Look at it. shedding. I can't even say anything about shedding because it really don't shed. Honestly, I know all hair sheds, but this really don't shed. Like straight hair, especially bobs, I really don't have a problem when it comes to shedding. And also tangling, never tangled while I was wearing it. That's all I know. As long as you keep your hair washed, keep your hair clean, keep it straight, keep it nice, keep styling it, looking cute every day, you're not gonna have a problem with no shedding. You're not gonna have a problems with tangling. It doesn't matte. Nothing really happens with this hair. So basically, with this review, I'm gonna give it like an A+. You know, of course you gotta wash it every week or maybe like every 4 days or something, just to keep it looking fresh. The most that would happen to this hair is like after wearing it for like 4 or 5 days, then it's gonna look a little stressed out. Like the hair's gonna look stressed out. Like you know when all that outside air builds up in your hair and everything, it's gonna be looking kind of like it needs some help. Wash it and it's like back to normal, back like day one. It just stays beautiful, stays looking nice. It moves, lots of body. You see that? Lots of body. I bought bob wigs in the past that was like very thin in the front, like it wasn't even in length, it was very choppy, shedding. This right here is what I've been looking for. I've honestly been looking for this type of bob for such a long time, and I finally found it, and I'm just excited. I'm just so happy. I need to go and cop this wig. Let me come up close to show you guys. Look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. I don't have a mirror on me, so this is kind of hard. I guess I'm just gonna have to eyeball it and do it with my finger. But you can literally part this hair. You can literally part this hair wherever in the front. It's like a deep parting space and all that good stuff, y'all know. This hair is perfect. The perfect hair. This is my favorite straight wig that I have, because the curly wig, y'all see my previous video, that's like one of my favorite curly wigs ever, and this is like one of my favorite bobs ever, you know. RPGShow was doing y'all thing. Y'all really doing a thing. This is the box that the hair comes in, and when you open the box, you get the hair inside of this little zip lucky bag thing. Y'all see it? I love this. This is what I keep all. I have so many of these because I ordered a lot of RPGShow wigs, so I feel like this baggie is really convenient, especially to store your wigs in. So I guess you guys are wondering, like, how do I keep my wigs and how do I store them? You know, how do I manage to keep them looking good? I always keep them inside this baggie that it comes in, you know. You put it in there, zip it up, and I just like put it in a box or something. And I still have these boxes because I don't know. I actually don't know why I still have these boxes, because I don't keep my hair in the boxes. I actually keep it inside of a like big square box, but I still have yet to throw it away. Just gotta let y'all know I really got my hair from RPGShow, so you guys don't be like like you're lying. I'm not lying. Like, here, this is the proof. Got it from there. If you guys want to see receipts, I can show you receipts because I got all my receipts. I have all my emails. I have my PayPal where it shows where I purchased the hair and everything. Like, I got my receipts. If y'all want to see it, baby girl, baby boy, I can show it to you just like that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all so much. Truly do. And bye.